quickly show you how to use a stick clip to get the first bolt clipped without leaving the ground. If you don't have a stick clip and you don't know what these do, when you're climbing up to clip the first bolt of a sport climb, if you were to fall, you're gonna fall all the way to the ground. Sometimes it's really easy to get to the first bolt. People will sometimes not have a stick clip at all. If you are choosing to use a stick clip, here's how you do it. You're gonna take your quick draw, place the quick draw in here. In a way, that's gonna allow it to hook onto the actual bolt. Final step while I'm setting this up is I'm going to clip the rope into the quick draw. Now we got to imagine what this is going to look like up on the wall. I keep the gates facing away from where I'm climbing. So this climb specifically, I'm going to be climbing to the left. So I'm gonna point the gates this way, and then I want this rope to be facing out when it's clipped in. Clip it in like that. Go up to the bolt, hook it on, and then I pull it down, bang. You want that climber's end to be coming out of the quick draw, just as you normally would. Now we're stick clipped in, and I don't have to worry about falling going to my first bolt.